So we want IEBC to declare Uhuru Kenyatta the president of Kenya so that we can move on with our lives. This dishonesty by NASA should stop. By changing from a NASA satellite dish which blew up in the sky to a rebel movement that want to create chaos and anarchy. And democracy is not about anarchy. Democracy is about freedom. So the fear that was installed into us as a nation should stop. It's a high time that we stop this politics which is divisive, and we want to heal the country and bring the people together and move on to our agenda. I think we have started well by building our nation, but now this bad politics is going to destroy us, and we all have to stand up and be counted to stop these politics of destruction, politics of anarchy, and politics of instability. And I think politics of dishonesty is what we are suffering from. So I appeal to all Kenyans, and I appeal to the coastal people that yes, we need to move on, and we need to see IEBC declaring Uhuru Kenyatta as the next president of Kenya.